Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can animate your pages based on timelines. I'm sure you've seen those videos where you see the top companies in historical view, where they change position based on the most recent rank. And you can do the same thing in Tableau. I just want to show you quickly when I play this out, so you can kind of see the ranking is changing and companies are moving up and down. So this is a really cool visualization that you can actually also do in Tableau. And just to get right into it, I'll show you how you can do this. So we'll pause this and go into the sheet. So this is just an example data source of the top 5 Nifty for the last X amount of years. So the only important thing we need to do is make sure that we use date for pages, right? So you can see here it has all the dates available. And what pages do is like they go through each page in selection. But when you try and do this yourself, you'll notice that pages doesn't work really like a filter, but more like it loads in the whole data set instead. But you can circumvent that by basically throwing in the calculate or the dimension that you want to display the ranking by in the details field. So you can see that symbol is in the details field, and then you create a ranking based on the calculation, right? So this is a unique rank, the sum of the high. So what was the high of the stock for the day in descending order. So we drag that into rows. We turn it to discrete, so you can see that here, and then we would compute using symbol. So what this allows you then to do is, you can see when I drag pages, it recalculates the rank based on what's given in the view, right? So you can see if we go to the most recent data, it'll show you that Shakreen has a value of 28,000 and is therefore number 1. I hope this helped you in your visualization journey. Don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe if this helped you. It will help me a lot. And I'll leave a link to the workbook in the description so you can download it and work it out yourself. Thanks so much for watching.